Hi there, here we have the 2010 on a 60 plate Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is the 1.8 E250 CGI Blue Efficiency Sport 2-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition the car is offered in. So starting off with the front, as you can see, it does have the xenon headlights and also the headlight washers just there. It does have the front parking sensors as well. No scuffs, no scratches on the front bumper. Moving on to the bonnet, as you can see there as well, it is offered in excellent condition. So there is no chips, no dents, no scratches, nothing untowards on the front of the vehicle. It is nice and clean. Alloys as well, as you can see, these are the 19-inch black alloys, and as you can see there, they have not been marked, so there is no marks on the alloys. And then as you can see there, the red calipers, giving it a nice finish as well. Just to confirm, it is only 2 previous owners on the car. So I know with the convertibles, they tend to have quite a lot of owners on them. However, that is not the case with this car. It does also have great service history. Rushmore's have done a full service and mechanical check over on the car, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. Moving on at the back, as you can see, it does also have the rear parking sensors, and then also the back bumper nice and clean as well, so there is no scuffs, no scratches, nothing untoward on the back of the vehicle. Once again, alloys, great condition. It does also have the red calipers at the back. RAC warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months, so this is something we highly recommend. Obviously more as a peace of mind than anything, obviously when buying a car like this. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, even over the phone, we can give you more options. So it does have the black soft top as well, so I believe it is a very nice colour combination the way they've done it. So the black with the silver and the black alloys. So you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior. Let's jump inside the car as well, show you the condition. So I've seen, starting off with the front passenger door, nice and clean. So it does have the electric windows, there is no scratches, no marks. Dash as well, offered in excellent condition. There is no scratches, no tears on the leather, so these are full leather heated seats. And as you can see, it does also have the air scarves as well. And then also the lumbar support and your electrical adjustment as well. So moving on, let's have a look at the back seat. So if you wanted to go on the back seat, as you can see, there is this here, so you pull that back and it will allow you to go through the back. So it does also have the AMG floor mats at the back as well. It does have the Isofix just there is 2 cup holders, and as you can see, in immaculate condition. There is no tears on the leather, everything as it should be. Right, let's see if we can have a look at that boot space as well. And obviously, being the convertible, it still actually has quite enough, or quite a decent boot space, to be honest. Right, let's have a look at the driver's side now. So let's start off with the door. Obviously, on the door you do have the controls for the electric windows, which are controlled by the driver. You do also have the electric mirrors, which are also folding in. Right, before I show you all the controls, let's have a look at the back seats once more. So as you can see, it does, it's just there is the sensors for the back, so it'll tell you how close you are. Obviously it will turn red, being very close to the object behind you. And then obviously the seats, as you can see, in immaculate condition. Right, so they are on auto at the moment, so your lights are automatically turned on at night time, and then obviously daytime they will automatically turn off, and then you can turn them on yourself as well. So it does also have the kick-in handbrake, so as you can see just down there, that's your kick-in handbrake, and then this is your button to release it. So it does have the leather multifunctional steering wheel with the pedal shift as well. And then down below just there is your cruise control, so just that's your cruise control as well. So as you can see there, your heated seats and also the air scarf. So what happens is hot air will be blowing through there once obviously the roof is off. Right, let's have a look at the screen and show you all the controls. So let's turn on the ignition. Right, okay, so down below obviously there is the dual climate control. And as you can see there, let me just switch that off so you can hear me better. So at the moment we are on audio. As you can see, it does have the FM and AM radio, so you can control it all by this here. So this controls the screen, or you can also press the buttons as well, which will take you directly to wherever you want to go. So the sat nav, for example, and then you can add your destination just down there. Very nice and simple to use. Go onto the radio, the telephone. So what happens is you can connect your phone through Bluetooth and play your music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it. It can be done. Also, you can, once the phone is connected through Bluetooth, if there is any phone calls that come through, you don't have to touch your phone at all. You answer or decline the call through the steering wheel. So it does also have the hands-free. And then let's show you all the buttons there. So just here, this is for the roof. So I'm going to turn the car on and then we're going to put the roof down so I can show you how the car looks with the roof down. So obviously you just hold the button, flick the button up, and let's see if we can get this into the video for you as well. Right, there we go. So as you can see, the roof goes down. And then the last part will be the windows coming up as well, which will be happening very soon. There we go. And then you can actually open the windows obviously if you wanted to. So that was all the controls inside the car. Obviously it is nice and comfortable inside. As I mentioned, the leather seats, which are also heated, are nice and comfortable. Right, so I'm just going to do a quick walk around the car once more to show you the car with the roof down, obviously. So as I mentioned, obviously the windows can also go down. So this is the car with obviously the roof down. I believe it does look a lot more better as well, especially now for summer, obviously it's coming up. Right, so that was the vehicle. You've seen the exterior and interior of the car. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we would be more than happy to assist you. And yeah, thanks for watching.